Today, fine hardwood finishing is nearly a lost art, but at Darafeev, it's a daily practice. Old-world handcrafting and a 12-step state-of-the-art finishing process combine to produce the finest select hardwood finishes anywhere. While other manufacturers stop at machine sanding, Darafeev goes an extra step to make the smoothest wood surfaces. Only by hand sanding can Darafeev's craftsmen reach every contour. On specified orders, we perform distressing, an intentional marring of wood, to give it a matured, aged look. Distressing is routinely performed on Darafeev's antique finishes and is a popular option on others. Because toner and stain are best absorbed by freshly sanded wood, Darafeev furniture is on its way literally within minutes, by way of a high-efficiency conveyor to the toner booth. Toner establishes a foundation of color for darker finishes. Darafeev's toner is a proprietary compound, not in common use, even in the rest of the high-end furniture industry. We call ours a smooth coat toner because it has more carrier agents to penetrate the wood and produce what we call a clear depth of color. For quality control, the booth operator compares each order to a standardized wood sample. Stain emphasizes the grain. Hand rubbing is therefore performed with a light touch to leave enough stain to enhance the character of the wood. Then, Darafeev artisans create dimension and visual contrast by selectively highlighting wood surfaces. The first application of Darafeev's post-catalyzed varnish beautifies and protects wood like no other sealer coat in the industry. Because of our investment in advanced pollution control technology, Darafeev is the only game room furniture manufacturer who can use an exclusive mix of the most deeply penetrating finishing compounds and still protect the environment. A separate catalyst, mixed in before application, creates a chemical reaction which makes the varnish permeate and adhere to the wood, and produces the most durable of finishes. The other advantage to post-catalyzed varnish is what happens at the next step. Here, Darafeev furniture bakes in our 1 million BTU convection drying tunnel. Warm, forced air from rotating fans reaches all recessed surfaces, so that every inch is uniformly sealed and dried. And because our post-catalyzed varnish is heat-activated, the oven galvanizes the chemical bonding of varnish and wood for the hardest finish available. For the final coat, wood must be ultra-smooth, and we use fine-grade sanding sponges to achieve it. Here, we also apply a black undercoating. Many furniture makers leave bare wood in such areas exposed, but on Darafeev furniture, all wood surfaces are sealed. Before final finishing, wood surfaces must be free of particulates, so the fine white powder from sealer sanding is removed. This station might be called Darafeev's Special Effects Department, where decorative gold and silver are emblazoned onto the wood. When daubed on, it's called padding. Spatter gun and brush create another effect, and gold and silver leafing are artfully applied. At the final spray booth, Darafeev hardwoods reach their characteristic luminous gloss. This final coat of post-catalyzed varnish produces the ultimate in wood protection, and the well-known Darafeev finish. As with the first coat of post-catalyzed varnish, the final coat is baked in a convection drying tunnel for optimal bonding. Then, each piece of Darafeev furniture travels onto upholstery and custom detailing. The 12-step wood finishing process Darafeev uses today is the result of decades of experience. Our custom production line routes every order through an optimally timed sequence. Using only select American hardwoods, we emphasize hands-on preparation and apply generous amounts of high-grade finishing compounds. Our finishing process is so thorough and the sealer coat so deeply bonded to the wood that our finishes are virtually impervious.